In this video guys, you will learn how you can send a SMS automatically on receiving a form submission. So guys, for creating a form, we are using WS Form plugin of WordPress. In place of this, you can use any other form builder as well, like Google Form, Jot Form or Elementor Form. And to send the SMS, we are using Twilio application, which is a SMS sending service. Okay, you can use any other SMS sending service as well. Right, and we are going to integrate both of these applications in such a way that whenever you are going to receive a form submission, a SMS will be delivered to the person who has filled the form automatically. So that can be any kind of transactional SMS or promotional SMS. Okay, and we are going to set up this automation without any coding very easily. So let's begin. So we are using Pabbly Connect to set up this automation, guys. So this is a automation tool and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. So from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account. So we have pasted the same link in the description. So you can just sign up right now and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay. And after that you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And from here you have to click on this create workflow button, and here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as send SMS on form submission. Okay, after giving this name, just click on create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we can set up any automation. So trigger here is that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the consequence of the trigger or the response towards the trigger. So here you have to connect that application in which the trigger event is going to occur. So in our use case, the trigger will be submission of the form, and the trigger application is WS Forms. Okay. So this is my WordPress dashboard, and here I have installed the WS Form plugin. You can see here. So you have to search for WS Forms here in this choose app field, and it will show you here like this. You have to select the icon, and here you have to select the trigger event as new form submission. All right, and it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we can make the connection with the WS Form plugin by following these steps written here. So you can just follow the steps one by one, and after that we are going to capture the response of that connection here in this workflow. Okay, so let me show you the steps directly. Here is my WS Form plugin. Let me show you. Here I'm clicking on forms. And here you can see I have created this contact us form using this plugin, and from here click on this edit icon, and here you will find this actions option in the top right corner. Here you can see actions, click on it, and under actions section you have to check this push to custom endpoint checkbox. Okay, and here you will find this settings icon, click on settings, and under the settings you will find this URL of endpoint option. So under this URL of endpoint you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from your workflow. So this is the webhook URL we have here. Just click on copy from here, and you have to paste this URL here in this URL of endpoint field like this. Okay, then you have to scroll down, and here you can customize the form by using field mapping, and from here click on save and close button, and you can see the form is getting saved here. All right, and now click on publish to publish the form. Right, so I have published the form and I have embedded this form in a page that I have created using WordPress. Okay, so here you can see as I have copied the webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. So this means now we can perform a test submission. Test submission means we are going to manually fill the form with some test details, and the details of the form submissions will be captured here as the test data, and with the help of that data we are going to move forward in this automation. Okay, so I have let me open the form now in an incognito window. So this is a form I have created just to show you the demo. You can customize the form according to your needs. Okay, and let me fill in the details of any dummy person. So I'm filling the name here as dummy person only. and this is the email ID. And the phone number. Alright, and here I am clicking on submit button, and you can see if the form is getting submitted. Alright, so it is showing thank you for your inquiry. Okay, so the form is submitted, and let's check in the workflow if we got the data captured of this form submission. So here you can see, guys, in this response received section, we got the data captured as phone number ID, last name, first name, and the email ID. These are the things I have asked in the form, and the data got captured. Now, guys, I want to send this person who has filled the form a SMS. That can be any kind of SMS, and for that we are going to use the action step, and here we are going to connect with Twilio application to send the SMS. Okay, and in the action event, guys, I'm going to select the send SMS message option, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the account SID, the authorization token, and the SID again. So guys, you will find these three things from the Twilio's console. So this is my Twilio applications console, guys, and from here when you scroll down, you will find this account info details here. So just click on copy and copy the account SID and paste it here 2 times. For the token, go back to the console, and here you will find the authorization token. Just click on copy from here and paste the token here. Right, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Twilio application like this. Okay, and here it is asking now for the body of the SMS. So here you can type the message that you want to send to the person who has filled the form. So here let me type the message. So guys, I have written this kind of SMS. You can see, thank you for showing interest in us. We have received your inquiry form submission, and we'll get in touch with you shortly. And after dear, I want to place the name of the person who has filled the form. So I'm going to map the name from this step, from the trigger. So I have received the first name and the last name label here. So I'm going to map these labels here. For that, you just have to click here after dear, and it will show you the first step of the trigger step in the drop down. And when you click on it, it will show you the data like this. So from here, I'm going to map the first name label like this. Okay. So when you map the label like this, what will happen with every new execution, the labels are going to change and the new names will be placed here. Okay. Similarly, it is asking for the recipient number. That means the number of the person to whom you want to send the SMS. Okay. So you have to map the number from the previous or the trigger step like this. And you can see you have to map the number in this format with a plus sign and the country code. So we do have a country code 91 for India, but we do not have the plus sign. So you can just manually enter the plus sign like this. Okay. And in the sender's numbers, you have to paste your Twilio account number. So Twilio give you a sending number like this. You can get it from the console. You just have to copy this and you have to paste it here. All right. Now you can check your connection by clicking on save and send test request, and a test SMS will be delivered to this number. So this is not a true number, guys. This is not an actual number. Just to show you the demo of the SMS, I'm going to place my number here. Then I'll click on save and send test request. But you have to map the number. This is an important thing. You have to map the label. I'm just showing you the demo how the SMS is going to appear. Okay. So guys, I have clicked on save and send test request, and this is the message I have received. You can see. Alright, so it is showing, dear dummy, thank you for showing interest in us. We have received your inquiry form submission and we'll get in touch with you shortly. Warm regards, Team Pabbly. So this is the same message I have written here. You can see, and in place of the name got placed, and the whole message is this. So this is how it is going to work, guys. This is how the messages are going to appear. And we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in this workflow. After that, whenever you are going to receive a form submission, the SMS will be delivered automatically. Alright, and if you want to use this workflow, you can use it because I am going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section, And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.